Prep Test 68, Game 3, Question 16, the last question in this game, asks us if there are no W targets of 2 days, which of the following could be true? So we've got our rules and inferences up here. We have our master diagram here. These two rules have already revealed to us that IV cannot be 3 and S and TV cannot be 1. SW cannot be 3 and TW cannot be 1. This problem also tells us that nothing is assigned to the W2 box. So let's see what we can fill in. Each client's W score must be less than or equal to its V score. Therefore, IW must go in space 1. That's because if we tried to place IW in space 3, it would require us to put IV in space 3. And we cannot do that, as you can see. So IW is in space 1. Furthermore, SW cannot go in 3 or 2, so it must go here in 1. And TW cannot go in 1 or 2, so it must go here in 3. If TW is 3, and that must be less than or equal to TV, then TV must be 3. That's about all we can fill in definitively in this chart, but it is worth noting that I could go in space 1, IV could go in space 1. If it does, we have options for SV. IV could also go in space 2, and if it does, we don't have options for SV. SV must go over here in space 3. So we'll come to that if we need it. So which of the following could be true? That IW is less than SW. Well, that cannot be true because they're both in 1 together. What about SW less than IW? Same thing. They're stuck together. But SV less than TV. Well, we just determined that if we place I here, we can place S here, thus making SV less than TV. That looks good. Let's check out the remaining. TW less than IW? Nope, they have to be equal. And TV less than SV. Well, TV is stuck here in spot 3, so that can't be less than anything. So that reconfirms that C is the correct answer to question 16.